All clear.
Keep going, get it tight. Almost there. Checking the gauge now, looks good, 500 pounds.
I apologize for that. You can proceed. Thank you.
Let's see inside the factory where white Waymo vehicles are born.
And that's a pass. We are good to go. Calibration sequence initiated. Align target board to coordinates. Module stabilization confirmed.
Make sure the coating is even. Looks perfect under the lamps. The gloss on this white is incredible.
Keep going, get it tight. Almost there. Checking the gauge now, looks good, 500 pounds.
Hello, let's get started.
I apologize for that. You can proceed. Thank you.
Wow.
Welcome home. That was perfect. Yay, Mommy's here. This car is gonna take us everywhere.
Look, it's spinning.
This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.
Subscribe for more videos.